Hi, and welcome to English Easy Fix. I'm Rafał, your host. This podcast is for beginners, and we use a simple four-step shadowing method. 1. You listen. 2. You listen again. 3. You repeat with me. 4. You repeat alone. You don't need to be perfect. Mistakes are part of learning. It's okay to have a strong accent and to speak slowly. Ready to practice, speak, and build your confidence? Let's begin. Today's episode is vegetables. Listen. I don't eat cabbage often. Listen again. I don't eat cabbage often. Repeat with me. I don't eat cabbage often. Repeat alone. Listen. I added carrots to the vegetable soup. Listen again. I added carrots to the vegetable soup. Repeat with me. I added carrots to the vegetable soup. Repeat alone. Listen. I like cucumber in summer salads. Listen again. I like cucumber in summer salads. Repeat with me. I like cucumber in summer salads. Repeat alone. Listen. Add garlic to the frying pan. Listen again. Add garlic to the frying pan. Repeat with me. Add garlic to the frying pan. Repeat alone. Listen. Lettuce is common in sandwiches. Listen again. Lettuce is common in sandwiches. Repeat with me. Lettuce is common in sandwiches. Repeat alone. Listen. Fry the mushrooms with butter. Listen again. Fry the mushrooms with butter. Repeat with me. Fry the mushrooms with butter. Repeat alone. Listen. She fried onions in a little oil. Listen again. She fried onions in a little oil. Repeat with me. She fried onions in a little oil. Repeat alone. Listen. Frozen peas are very convenient. Listen again. Frozen peas are very convenient. Repeat with me. Frozen peas are very convenient. Repeat alone. Listen. She bought red and green peppers. Listen again. She bought red and green peppers. Repeat with me. She bought red and green peppers. Repeat alone. Listen. We bought a big bag of potatoes. Listen again. We bought a big bag of potatoes. Repeat with me. We bought a big bag of potatoes. Repeat alone. Listen. I like sweet corn with tuna. Listen again. I like sweet corn with tuna. Repeat with me. I like sweet corn with tuna. Repeat alone. Listen. She sliced fresh tomatoes for the salad. Listen again. She sliced fresh tomatoes for the salad. Repeat with me. She sliced fresh tomatoes for the salad. Repeat alone. Thanks for listening to English Easy Fix. Check the show notes for extra resources. Keep practicing, don't worry about mistakes, and I'll see you in the next episode.